boy. That's your birthday boy. Yo, what's his name? Abraham! Happy birthday, brother! Were you surprised? You were surprised? And Laura, his wife, made that happen.
Let me try.
Thank you, guys. I'm gonna come back with a bottle in a minute.
I don't even know what song to sing. All I know is la 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 la. I love you, oh baby. La 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 la. I love you.
Carlitos in the house.
So girl, that I needed in this world, you are the one for me, one for me. Hold you in my arms, feel you in my dreams. I'm so
La chilla. What?
see you.
I need a chilla.
I am saying to you. The way I explain to you.
You listen to me. I'm glad you listened to me, bro. The 46th anniversary of the Lansing Ballers Dance Company is rocking, baby. Los títeres del Bronx. Oh yeah, don't hit him, bro. That's my man right there.
No, bro, it's my mom for life, man.
Right?
You too. You don't know me. Hate to hang out with Hector. I was a young before.
Hector Berrios?
Swallow, the one that cracked too.
Yeah.
I forgot his name, bro.
Say what's up, brother.
What up, man? Yo.
Very good time.
Hey, garage.
Boricua hasta la muerte. Okay, I got you, friend. Oh yeah. Oh shit, that's the song. Finally, they're smiling. Here we go. I would make you guys smile finally. They gave me so serious. I was like, smile. She smiles. What's her name? What's her name?
Tina.
Tina?
Tina.
I spoke to you on the phone. You told me today. I'm willing.
I can't hear. I can't hear.
You called me today on the phone. I'm willing.
Oh, hi.
You called me, right?
I'll play.
She called me. She meet me. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Smile, mama. Smile. There you go. Look, you got to smile. Tú estás muy seria, ¿sabes? Mikey, Mike. Mike, in the house. You know you love me, right?
I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Oh, little bit.
We're gonna have a drink right now. Look at a bottle. And there's my favorite girl, Simone. Simone, you know what I'm here for, mama. It's time to get the second bottle of Hennessy. Alright, so we're out for now.